carrots on sticks, but I have a coat that makes me look just like a bird, just like a bird. Whenever I go running in it, people they smile, especially when I throw bird feed into the air.